Start the cookie with the tip. Begin to squeeze the bag and move the hand smoothly. Pay attention. Lift piping tip up. Let the outline slack to create a smooth curve. Start a new arc in the center of the previous one. Squeeze tiny drops in the two arcs interaction. Try to keep the same width of all arcs. Pipe a drop, stop squeezing and smooth it perpendicular to the flooding outline. Add tiny eyelet on the top of each arc. Pipe a big dot on the borderline. Stop squeezing and smooth it along the outline. Go back a little bit and pipe the next dot in the center of the tail. Pipe tiny dots on the same distance from each other. I recommend to leave a gap between nearby dots equal to its width. We already have a pretty border, but if you continue to add the second and the third dot lines in different order, you will get amazing patterns. There are two examples for you.